Consci, Empowering People, Transforming Businesses, presents a course on equity research. So let us look at what is equity research. Equity research is the process of studying various aspects that will impact a company's performance and further make an attempt to focus the stock price of the company. In this course, we will study the fundamental analysis predominantly. We have divided the course into EIC analysis, financial analysis, and valuations. So let us first of all look at what is EIC analysis. EIC analysis represents economy analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. So first of all look at economic analysis. In this, we predominantly focus on the macroeconomic factors of the global and domestic economy to get the broader sense of how economy is expected to perform in the time to come. At the end of this study, you would have identified the key indicators to watch for their interpretation. It will also give us some sense of expected sectorial performance in the current and expected economic scenario. Next is industry analysis. This is the study of industry specific parameters that throw light on the trends prevalent, the leaders, advantages, drawbacks, government interventions in the industry. It also builds base for expectations of performance from the companies in the sector. After industry analysis, the next logical step is to perform company analysis. The intention here is to identify the company specific issues and risks, learn about the company management, their track record, read annual reports, financial statements, etc. The purpose is to ultimately identify the best or few of the best companies in the sector. Integral part of company analysis is financial analysis. That is what we will look at next. Financial statement analysis. It is the process of analyzing company financials, connecting them with the industry parameters to gauge the strength in the company's fundamentals. Broadly said, it has four critical elements that include profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and ratio analysis. Let us first look at profit and loss account. Here, the intention is to learn various factors that form profit and loss account. We will learn factors like volume, pricing that form the revenue of the company and others that form the cost component of the company. We will also learn other major entries in profit and loss account. Next comes balance sheet. This is the statement as on specific date of the company. The intention is to learn how the balance sheet is formed, various key terms in the balance sheet and their interpretations. Next is cash flow statement. This is the statement of change and we will understand how to build this one here in this section. Next is ratio analysis. Ratio analysis. We will learn the basic ratios to analyze the financial statements better. This will include liquidity ratios, activity ratios, leverage ratios, growth ratios, profitability ratios, and return ratios. We will further do DuPont analysis to study their importance for analyzing ROE in details. Next is valuations. In this section, we will learn to compute various valuation parameters like beta, risk-free rate, risk premiums, KE, which is called as cost of equity, weighted average cost of capital, etc., and use them to value the company. Here we will learn DCF analysis and relative valuation. Let us first of all look at what is DCF analysis. DCF stands for discounted cash flow valuation. This includes we estimating the growth in the earnings of the company, estimating cash flows and discounting these cash flows to arrive at equity valuation or firm valuation of the company. We will learn DDM, which represents dividend discount model, FCFE, which represents free cash flow to equity, and FCFF, which represents free cash flow to firm here. Next is relative valuation. Here we will cover how we use company fundamentals like ROE, growth, beta, etc. to compute various relative valuation ratios. And further, we will learn how to use them to value the equity of the company. It includes PE multiple, price to book value multiple, price to sales multiple, etc. We will also learn to compute and use EV by EBITDA multiple and EV by sales multiple. Sounds interesting? So note our coordinates below and feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you.